What's up guys, NJ Pyro here, and I'm going to do an unboxing of Thriller Assortment by World Class Fireworks. I got this at, let's see if we can get this without the glare, the Odd Lot Firework Outlet Store. I got this last year, so this is not new by any sense. 30 bucks as you can see, and I already have this somewhat open. Let's get this unboxing started. I won't be surprised if this stuff just falls right out as I'm taking it out. We have a party popper, yay! But it is by World Class, okay? Let's see, I don't want all this stuff to fall out. We have some Magic Black Snakes. I'm sorry, I'm not even filming the box here. Cuckoo Fountain by Boomer. Got some snappers, World Class. Mini Cuckoo. Big box of snappers here, 50 pieces. World Class Kicks. I've done these some years ago. There was like 4 or 5 of them in total. It's nice. Got another one. Alright, let's take this off. Surprised it didn't come crashing down. Alright. Flower Fountain by Boomer. Large Golden Flower Fountain by Boomer. Splash Out. That's new. Boomer. Let's see. We got some more snappers. World Class Flashing Signal. Got a little Magnum Popper by World Class. Alright, Pipsqueak, World Class. Nice. Beach Party. Ooh, this is a little heavy. By World Class. That's a nice 4th of July one. Coastal Sunset. World Class. This is a little weight too. Another 4th of July fountain. Computerland. Boomer. I did this one a few years ago. And last, that's right, Punks, 8 inches. So that was Thriller Assortment, 40 bucks at the Odd Lot outlet store. Once again, I got this about a year ago or more, so this is not really a new assortment. It could even be older than that. But thank you for watching.